AirSelfie 2, the first HD pocket-sized flying camera ever created. So thin and light, you can use it everywhere you go. Enhance your phone with the ultimate photo and video accessory. Taking selfies becomes easier and even funnier. So revolutionary that adapts to every lifestyle. Share images on your social media has never been so quickly through the easy-to-use app. Advanced technologies and high-quality components embedded into a ultra-durable case. Create amazing memories of your best moments with AirSelfie 2. Its anti-vibration and in-flight stability systems always guarantee great video and photos. Available in 4 different colors to suit your personality.
Imagine cutting-edge AI technology and remarkable professional features packed into a unique pocket-sized drone. Introducing Mark, the world's first drone positioned by visual inertial odometry. Constituted of a fisheye camera and a GPU-based mapping module, the VIO helps Mark locate itself based on position relative to its surroundings, realizing true autonomous flying. Mark sees the environment around it to allow for easy control and seamless flying, whether you are outdoors or in. It also records the trajectory wherever it flies, whether through the app or by hand. Mark can follow recorded trajectory and fly automatically. It's powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon platform, providing all the power of a bigger drone with all the convenience of a smaller package. And it's so small, it can fold into a pocket or purse. Mark is easy to operate straight out of the box. No need for calibration or satellite connection. Mark is packed with unique features. It can track subjects automatically, take off and land with voice control, and take pictures with a single gesture. Using its amazing biotechnology, Mark will amp up all your adventures and capture all your most memorable moments entirely in 4K.
This is the age of tinkering, and really just figuring out what else there is to a drone. Because the 21st century is not the age of flying. It's the age of experiments. But how do you experiment with drones that are fragile, expensive, difficult to reprogram? And that's where we come in. We are engineers and researchers from the Indian Institute of Technology, working on drones for the past 8 years. After successfully launching our flagship product, Pluto, we've now come up with a comprehensive aerial robotics kit, PlutoX. With this aerial robotics kit, you get an open source firmware, free SDK, comprehensive frame design, spare propellers, and a learning kit. Easy to code, crash resistant, and affordable for all your crazy experiments. So don't just get stuck to flying. Think of the PlutoX as a buddy for the lazy ones, a wildcard for the crazy ones, a friend who's got your back, a pet, a companion, a musician maybe? It compensates for your height, and once in a while for your lack of words. Fly it, build it, crash it, whatever you do, just be open to experiment. PlutoX, the most agile and modular aerial robotics kit.
PowerRay is more than just a fishing drone. It's a powerful underwater photography and video platform. PowerRay is an intelligent underwater robot designed to let you see the world as never before. Explore under the waves before you jump into the water. PowerRay can dive down to 98 feet and has 3 operational modes for beginners, experienced pilots, and professionals. For underwater photography, use PowerRay's powerful 4K UHD camera with a wide-angle lens. It can record video in real time at 4K 25 frames per second, while the unique LED lighting illuminates the water. Export the photos and videos to your computer. If you are an explorer who loves traveling and sharing your memories, PowerRay's real-time streaming in 1080p allows you to share your stunning moments to Facebook, WeChat, and Instagram. PowerRay's Power Seeker can be used as a standalone device. Just switch your app to fish finding mode. Power Seeker will alert you when there's a group of fish helping you catch them like a pro. Get detailed information on where the fish are, the depth of the water, and real-time battery life. PowerRay visualizes your fishing experience. Even if you aren't an experienced fisherman, PowerRay and Power Seeker can take you to the next level. PowerRay's VR goggles offer real-time immersive fishing experience for you or with your friends at the same time. Give someone else control as you can switch between controlling PowerRay or just observing to enjoy the freedom of swimming underwater without jumping in. The gesture-based VR goggle offers you hands-free control and provides you a stunning FPV underwater experience. In addition, you can utilize PowerRay for underwater exploration and ice fishing. Put the controller in your hand and discover what else PowerRay can do.